disconnected my Apple Pencil so that we can trace some of the words and the options, and I hope we would do good with this game. So let's begin. Let's start with the first question, which is, which of the following is not a primary color in classic color theory? So we have red, blue, green, and yellow. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and with blue and yellow you can make green. So green is a secondary color. The study of sound is called acoustics, acoustonomy, soundics, or vibronomy. I think it's the first one, acoustics. Which kind of animal did Florence Nightingale often carry around in her pocket? So first we have kitten, then we have puppy, owl, or snake. It was an owl. What causes a tsunami? First one is pollution. Second, soil erosion. Third, underwater earthquakes or high winds. Underwater earthquakes. Which letter would you find between B and M on a keyboard? Q, N, C, or B? I can't remember exactly, but I think it's N. Yep. How many days are there in May? 30, 29, 31, or 27? 31. How many senses does a human have? So we have 3, 5, 7, or 15. It's 5. What is missing from Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa? Eyebrows and lashes, hair, ears, or left nostril. Eyebrows and lashes. What is half as a percentage? 5%, 25%, 50%, or 75%? It's 50%. Okay, I think these questions are a little bit too easy. How many sets of teeth do humans grow in their lifetime? 5, 4, 1, or 2? I think we have our baby teeth and then the new teeth, so it's 2. How many sides does a dodecadon have? 5, 7, 10, or 12? Well, in Greek Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Archimedes, or Thomas Edison? It's Archimedes. At the start of a game of chess, who moves first? Black. Toss a coin. White or oldest player? It's white. Okay, these questions are way too easy. What planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Mars, Earth, or Mercury? Mercury. What is the scientific word given to the collarbone? First, we have clavicle. Then we have cranium, which is in the head, so it's definitely not that. Scapula, I don't know, or vertebrae, definitely not this one. I think it's the clavicle. Yep. Okay. Which is not a shot in tennis? Snatch, volley, slice, or lob? I think it might be snatch, but I'm not sure. That was a bit of a lucky guess. What is the longest river in the world? Yangtze, Nile, Mississippi, or Mekong? It's Nile in Egypt. What source does solar power generate electricity from? Wind, sun, oil, or tidal? Sun. Who founded the following companies? Tesla, PayPal, and SpaceX? Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or Mark Zuckerberg? It's Elon Musk. Don't put all your eggs in one hand. Nest, omelette, or basket? It's basket. What chemical is added to U.S. water supplies in the hopes of improving dental health? We have chlorine, bromine, hydrogen, or fluoride? It's fluoride. It's the one that kind of prevents tooth decay. And if you take a look at your toothpaste, in order for it to be a good toothpaste that prevents cavities, it needs to have 1,450 parts per million fluoride. Which group of people is convened by a court to decide on a verdict? I think these questions are towards the US audience because most countries in Europe don't have that. A judge decides on the verdict. So first it's the jury, Antandi, witnesses or adversaries. It's the jury. Okay. What term is used to describe a word that is spelled the same backwards and forwards? Okay. So first, we have the palindrome, mnemonic, assonance, or couplet. It's the palindrome. on the year? January, February, July, or October? It's February. How long does the Earth take to rotate around its axis? 1 day, 1 week, 1 year, or 10 years? It's 1 day. What part of the human body produces insulin? Lungs, intestines, pancreas, or liver? It's the pancreas. Okay, these questions are way too easy. Which animal's eye is larger than its brain? Squirrel, ostrich, rat, or eagle? It's the ostrich. What color do you get from mixing blue and red? Yellow, purple, orange, or green? It's purple. Which decimal is the smallest amount? 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, or 0.0005. It's the last one. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Saturn, Jupiter, Venus, or Mars? It's Jupiter. Find the odd one out. First we have opponent, then we have antagonist, which is almost a synonym to the opponent, enemy, or ally. It's the ally. What is the total number of dots on a dice? First we have 16, then we have 18, 21, or 28. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's 21. What city fell to the wooden horse? Athens, Mykonos, Sparta, or Troy? It was Troy. Which animal can't vomit? First we have raccoon, then cheetah, then dog, and then frog. I'm gonna go on a bit of a likey guess, and I'm gonna say frog. Likey, okay. Who directed the first Jurassic Park movie? Tim Burton, Martin Scorsese, Christopher Nolan, or Steven Spielberg? Steven Spielberg. How many months of the year begin with the letter A? 2, 3, 4, or Susan. Tinkerbell. Which piece on a chessboard makes an L-shaped move? We have the pawn, rook, bishop, or knight. It's the knight. Where the tigers live? Where the tigers live? In Europe, Asia, North America, or South America. They live in Asia. What is the tallest tree in the world? Oh, I know this one. The palm tree, pine tree, maple, or redwood. It's redwood. What did the Wright brothers invent? The car, the telephone, the wheel, or airplane. The airplane. What is a dog's most powerful sensory organ? Its ears, eyes, nose, or paws. Its nose. The smallest known mammal in the world is what? Etruscan shrew, opossum, rat, or beaver. I'm pretty sure it's none of these three, so I'm gonna go with the first one, and we're correct. The legend of Robin Hood is centered on which forest? Forest of Dean, Sherwood, Lincoln, or Shervage. It's in Sherwood. What is the tallest mammal in the world? The giraffe, the blue whale, the African elephant, or a brown bear. I was gonna go blue whale, but it's not tall. It's the largest one, but that doesn't mean the tallest in height. So I think it's the giraffe, and we're correct. What is air pressure measured with? Thermometer, aerometer, ruler, or barometer. It's with the barometer. Which of the following animals can't jump? The horse definitely can. The bear definitely can. The zebra can. So it's the elephant. What country produces the most coffee? First, we have Brazil, then Colombia, then Nigeria, and then South Africa. It's Brazil. Which of these birds cannot fly far? The chicken, the crow, the sparrow, or the pigeon. It's the chicken. In which country would you find the Taj Mahal? In Japan, Spain, Russia, or India? India. What is the major international competition for soccer? NHL, FIFA World Cup, the Masters, or Super Bowl? It's the FIFA World Cup. Okay, questions are way too easy. Which spirit is Russia famous for producing? We have beer, rum, vodka, or gin. It's vodka. What system do the blind use to read? Morse, binary, braille, or braille? It's braille. Which force keeps you down to earth? Friction, magnetic, gravity, or electric? It's gravity. What is the largest continent on Earth? South America, Europe, Africa, or Asia? I think it's Asia. I was between Asia and Africa. What do humans breathe out? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, or nitrogen? It's carbon dioxide. How many legs does a spider have? 4, 6, 8, or 10? It's 8. Which city was attacked by the first atomic bomb? Hiroshima, New York, Beijing, or Ankara? It was Hiroshima. What was the name of Michael Jackson's famous chimpanzee companion? Albert, Clyde, Bubbles, or Coco? I'm gonna say Bubbles, but I have no clue. That was a lucky guess. I told you in my previous video I'm very good when it comes to gambling and guessing. What is used as disinfectant in swimming pools? Oxygen, cobalt, chlorine, or sulfur? It's chlorine. Which is 25% of 60. So if we divide 60 by 4, we have 15. So the options are 20, 15, 120, or 140. It's 15. How many human players are there in a polo team? 4, 6, 8, or 10? It's 4. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Daintree, Borneo, the Amazon, or the Black Forest? It's the Amazon. What is the name of the instrument used to measure wind speed? Windometer, antenna, anemometer, or ruler? It's the anemometer. Let's do one more because I'm getting really sleepy now. How did Google get its name? After one of the founders? Nope. From a basketball team? Nope. From a chance misspelling? After a US president? It was from a chance misspelling, because if you have Google, which is pronounced like Google, it means how many millions of numbers. So it was by misspelling. is International Women's Day, January 12th, March 8th, August 23rd, or December 5th? It's March 8th. Which herb is used to make pesto? Basil, mint, parsley, or thyme? It's basil. Okay. I'm gonna leave this here because I'm getting really sleepy and I have to wake up in 4 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it relaxing, and I'll see you in my next one.